all of you wonderfully amazing people. I'm so excited today because y'all, I'm going to be showing you guys something that I have been drinking for the past 7 days, and I said I was going to try it for 7 days to see what becomes of the concoction. Not to get too personal into my business, but I've been having some lady issues going on. Ladies, you can read between the lines. I've been having some lady issues going on due to fibroids and other things, and I have not had a break in my cycle. I don't have any children yet. Therefore, I am not in the market for a hysterectomy because I do want to be a mother one day. So I said, you know what, Lord, show me, okay? Show me something. Show me a way that I can keep my ovaries, become a mother, and also shrink these fibroids all at the same time. And family, let me tell you, okay? I have been dealing with this, like I said, for the past, I don't know, maybe 6-7 months, okay, of just off and on situation, all right? I said, Lord, show me something. So I went on to do some research on, ways to avoid a hysterectomy naturally. And let me tell you, I have found the answer, okay? Bam. First of all, let me tell you what I have here. What you're going to need is you're going to need some lemons, okay? Lemons, okay? Get you some lemons and juice these things, y'all. They ain't hard to juice, okay? Get you some fresh lemons and get you a lemon squeezer if you ain't got much strength in your hand. Get you some lemons, okay? That is what I have here in this cup. This is the juice of one whole lemon. These lemons right here don't have very much juice in them. I wish it had a little bit more. I'm going to see if I can find some bigger organic lemons, okay? You're going to need some unsulphured, okay? Very, very important to get the unsulphured Blackstrap molasses. Make sure it's unsulphured, okay? You're going to need you some apple cider vinegar, all right? Now, this one is optional, but I highly recommend this one. This is good for, if you know anybody out there that's dealing with cancer or anything like that, especially when they're, getting to the end stages of cancer, or even if you don't have cancer, this will prevent it, okay? Get you some baking soda. I highly recommend getting the one that is aluminum free. It is downstairs. I don't feel like going to get it. But Bob's Red Mill baking soda that is aluminum free. Get you some of that. You can go to your local health food store. They might have it in some stores like Whole Foods or something like that. I don't know. Okay, but get you some baking soda as well. Again, that's optional, but it won't kill you, I can guarantee you. And if you know anybody with cancer, tell them to drink this, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to take your molasses, and this doesn't taste bad at all, okay? I actually kind of enjoy it. And I also still take my black seed oil for those that are going to ask, all right? This is what you're going to do is you're going to take a tablespoon. You're going to put a tablespoon of your Blackstrap molasses into this cup. Now, just so you know, this stuff is very, very thick, so it's going to take a while for you to stir it up, but that's okay, okay? That's all right. Just take your time, okay? Just take your time and get it mixed up because you are going to thank me later, ladies and gentlemen, all right? Because men take this as well. Let me tell you, you put this in your cup, and you stir it up, and as you see, it's going to take a while to get off that spoon because, again, it is thick, all right? This almost tastes like you're drinking some lemonade without the, a whole bunch of sugar. It does not taste bad, at least not to me, all right? If you are a person out there, and if you can drink black seed oil, you can drink this, okay? Let me just tell you that. I still drink my black seed oil, as I said, but this right here, baby, okay, you're going to go back to your doctor, and he's going to be like, what fibroids? I'm telling you now. I used to be able to feel it, family, right here. I used to be able to feel it. For some reason, like I said, and it's only been a week. Only been a week. I can't find it. I know it's there, but I can't find it. I'm going to get that mixed up a little bit more when I get off camera, but you get the gist, okay? You're going to put that in your lemon juice, all right? And then you're going to take your apple cider vinegar. I need to shake this up just a little bit. Shake what your mama gave ya. Because all of that, you want to make sure you get the apple cider vinegar with the mother, okay? Don't just get any apple cider vinegar. Get the one with the mother, all right? And all of that mother is going to be down there on the bottom, and you're going to need to shake it up because you're going to want some of that mother, okay? You're going to want some of that mother, and you're also going to take a tablespoon of this apple cider vinegar. Okay, maybe a little bit more. But that's okay. That's okay. And like I said, I'm going to skip the baking soda on this morning. Uh-oh. And use glass if you can. You see, I'm about to break my plastic cup. Now, I am going to dilute this with some water, okay? So I'm going to fill this up about halfway on this cup with water. Drink this 3 times per day, family. Morning, afternoon, and night. And I guarantee you, you're possibly going, well, I'm not going to say I'm a guarantee. I'm not a doctor, okay? This is not FDA approved, none of that, okay? But I'm just telling you to do some research on the Unsulphured Blackstrap Molasses, lemon, okay, baking soda, and the apple cider vinegar, all right? Especially for those of you out there who are dealing with fibroids, if you know someone who has cancer, if you want to prevent cancer, because what it is baking soda is going to alkaline your body, all right? And it's just going, boom, it's going to be fighting those cancer cells, you guys. And family, let me just tell you, if you're dealing with migraine, headaches, any of that stuff, take this concoction, please, okay? If you have low iron, ladies, that is another problem that I'm dealing with because of this lady issue. If you have low iron, this unsulfured blackstrap molasses, as you can see here on the side, it tells you, okay, it is rich in, is a good source of calcium, potassium, and iron. This will raise your iron levels super fast, okay? Of course, I still take my mega food blood builders, but those are the little capsules. This right here will raise it fast. So if you're dealing with any types of issues like headaches or anything like that, but due to anemia, get you some unsulfured blackstrap molasses. Now, there are some people who just take it by the spoonful. They don't even need to make the concoction, okay? They just get them a tablespoon, pour the blackstrap molasses on it, and take it to the head, okay? You can do that as well if you so choose, but I love this concoction because it has been, like I said, it's been doing me very, 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 very well over this last week to the point where I can't even feel the fibroid, and plus my stuff has completely gone away, okay? Ladies, you know, like I said, I don't want to be too TMI because YouTube is very, 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 very much family friendly now. So I don't want to be too TMI, but you get what I'm saying. If you are a person out there and you are considering getting a hysterectomy, try this, okay? Don't just try for 7 days. Try for at least 30 days and tell me how you feel. Now, you have to be consistent with this. With anything, you have to be consistent with. Just like I tell people, even with the black seed oil, there are people who take it for a week. I don't see a difference. You have to be consistent. It is something that you have to take every single day. Again, 3, okay? Not 1, not 2, but 3 times per day. Morning, noon, and night. Take this 3 times a day, and you're going to see some sort of difference, okay? I'm telling you that right here, right now. Try it. Let me know what you think of it. Leave it down in the comment section down below. If you have used this before, also leave it in the comment section because I'm pretty sure there are going to be people who are going to be reading the comments to see if anybody has tried this and if it has worked. Try it. Let me know in the comment section down below. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.